North Eastern Police Academy NEPA kalapanlong ya passing out parade na kabantah nyaw pongut ki Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP arpun riungut na Assam prangut na Mizoram haka arpu prater gleber ha sao kwan. U Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma Menteri Rangba ka Assam ulalong ukongsan hakani kasngi.
कदम से कदम मिलाकर सीना ताने हुए मंच की ओर अग्रसर है। 70 पुलिस अधिकारियों वाली इस परेड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं असम पुलिस सेवा के उपाधीक्षक गोरखजीत गोगोई और द्वितीय कमान अधिकारी हैं मिजोरम पुलिस सेवा के उपाधीक्षक लाल रिंग ज्वाली।
DYSP Probationer Rikiraj Gaula Kupur from Assam Police Service. This platoon consists of a total of 21 probationers. The second platoon is led by Commander DYSP Probationer Mithuma Basumatri from Assam Police Services. This platoon consists of a total of 24 probationers. This platoon consists of a total of 21 probationers.
Delighted to be present at this passing out parade of 70 probationer Deputy Superintendent of Police from Assam and Mizoram at this prestigious academy today. This ceremony marks a significant milestone in the life of all the officers training. This is a moment of pride and achievement that you will cherish forever. I am confident that the rigorous training you have undergone has equipped you with the professional competence, physical resilience, and mental strength to excel in the face of all challenges. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to each one of you. I also commend those who have earned medals and trophies today. This is a well-deserved recognition of your dedication and excellence in the various aspects of the training. I also take this opportunity to congratulate the proud parents and the family members who are present here to witness this momentous occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to Sri Danesh Rana, the Director of Northeast Police Academy, the indoor and outdoor faculty members, and the entire NEPA fraternity for their unwavering dedication in shaping the future of the policing. The training imparted to the 62 DSP probationers from Assam and 8 from Mizoram will play a crucial role not only in enhancing their physical and mental resilience, but also in their overall development as competent police officers. The rigorous outdoor training, drills, and discipline instilled in the officer trainees will undoubtedly serve them well. The benefit will be both individual and in the police administration and smart governance. Moreover, the curriculum covering law, forensics, and various other subjects has equipped them well with the knowledge needed to excel in their duties. I also appreciate the hands-on exposure given to the trainees through army engagement and visits to jail and police station. Such experience provide them with a broader understanding of practical policing. This also prepares
Terima kasih.